There is something quietly powerful about the way denim is evolving in 2026. Jeans are no longer just casual basics or trend-driven statements. They have become refined, intentional, and deeply versatile. The kind of pieces that can carry an entire outfit without ever feeling loud or forced. In 2026, denim is about shape, balance, and confidence. About silhouettes that feel modern yet timeless, washes that elevate rather than distract, and jeans that support an elegant wardrobe effortlessly. In this video, I'll walk you through the most important jeans trends of 2026, not as a trend list, but as a guide to understanding why these styles feel chic and how to choose denim that works naturally with a refined sense of style. If you enjoy seeing complete, elegant outfits styled in a modern, wearable way, including looks you can easily recreate or shop, you can also follow us on Instagram. We share ready-to-wear outfit inspiration there daily, and you'll find the link in the description. Let's begin. The defining shift in 2026 denim isn't one single trend. It's intention. Design has replaced decoration. Instead of relying on rips, heavy fading, or visual noise, denim now focuses on structure, proportion, and movement. The elegance comes from how the jeans sit on the body and how they behave throughout the day. What truly sets 2026 denim apart is the sense of ease it creates. These jeans don't require styling tricks or constant adjustment. They hold their shape, move naturally, and feel stable from morning to evening. The waistband sits comfortably, the leg falls cleanly, and the fabric supports the silhouette rather than fighting it. This is what allows jeans to feel polished again. They no longer need to announce themselves. They quietly support the entire look, making even the simplest outfits feel composed, intentional, and quietly confident. Silhouette is at the heart of elegant denim in 2026. Straight-leg jeans remain the most timeless option because they offer visual clarity. Their clean vertical line creates balance and ease, allowing the body to feel supported rather than restricted. They skim the figure without clinging and transition effortlessly between relaxed daytime looks and more polished settings. Wide-leg jeans continue to feel elegant thanks to their calm, elongated shape. The fabric moves fluidly, creating a statuesque effect that adds presence without drama. The elegance lies in the restraint of the volume and the softness of the line. Barrel jeans appear as a modern detail rather than a dominant statement. In 2026, the curve is subtle and intentional, the fabric structured enough to hold shape, and the overall effect sculptural yet composed. They introduce quiet interest while remaining grounded and wearable. Bootcut jeans return in a softened, refined form. The flare is gentle and balanced, designed to elongate the leg and create graceful movement. This silhouette feels flattering, confident, and unmistakably elegant. What connects all of these silhouettes is moderation. Nothing feels forced or exaggerated. Everything feels thoughtful, intentional, and refined. Length is one of the most important and most underestimated elements of denim. In 2026, elegant jeans are intentionally long. Hems reach the top of the foot or gently skim the shoe, creating a continuous line from waist to floor. This uninterrupted vertical flow grounds the entire silhouette and instantly makes an outfit feel more refined. Length also determines how modern denim reads. When jeans are cut long, the shape feels deliberate rather than casual. Straight, wide, barrel, and bootcut silhouettes all benefit from this added weight and presence. This length allows each silhouette to fully express itself and interact beautifully with refined footwear. The result is an outfit that feels calm, confident, and visually complete, without any effort or excess. Color plays a quiet but crucial role in elegant denim. In 2026, refined wardrobes rely on controlled, intentional washes rather than high contrast or novelty. Dark indigo remains a foundation of chic dressing, offering depth, polish, and timeless versatility. It has the ability to elevate even the simplest outfit and works effortlessly across seasons. Black denim evolves into something softer and more considered, especially when paired with fluid, clean silhouettes. Dark gray adds a layer of modern sophistication, feeling slightly lighter, yet equally refined. Clean mid-blue continues to hold its place when the wash is even and uninterrupted. These tones allow the silhouette, fabric, and styling to lead, creating calm, composed elegance without visual competition. In 2026, denim fabric is treated as an essential part of the design rather than an afterthought. Elegant jeans are defined by structure. The denim has enough weight to hold its shape from morning to evening, resisting collapse, creasing, or clinging. As you move, the fabric responds slowly and predictably, allowing the silhouette to remain clean and composed. This sense of control is what brings denim closer to tailoring. Wide leg, straight leg, and softly curved shapes all rely on fabric that supports their form rather than distorting it. When the material behaves well, styling becomes simple. The jeans do the work quietly, and elegance follows without effort. Several denim expressions feel especially aligned with 2026 elegance because they add interest without disrupting visual calm. Cuffed jeans appear with wide, clean cuffs that feel deliberate and architectural. The cuff adds structure and visual weight at the hem, subtly grounding the silhouette. Rather than looking styled or playful, it feels resolved, as if the cuff was part of the original design. This makes even simple denim look intentional and polished. Denim on denim returns in a refined tonal form. Similar washes, clean silhouettes, and minimal hardware create outfits that feel calm, modern, and quietly confident. The elegance comes from cohesion. Nothing competes, everything belongs. Embellished jeans exist in 2026, but only in their most restrained form. Elegance here is about subtlety, delicate stitching, tone-on-tone embroidery, or barely there detailing that reveals itself only up close. Anything overt or decorative immediately shifts denim away from refinement. When done quietly, embellishment adds personality without noise. Denim dresses also gain prominence. Clean lines, belted waists, button fronts, and soft structure transform denim into something effortless yet composed, offering ease without sacrificing elegance. In 2026, elegance is never about decoration, it's about intention, restraint, and balance. Elegant women in 2026 use denim as a foundation, not a statement. Rather than constantly experimenting, they build their wardrobe around a small number of silhouettes that consistently work for their body and lifestyle. These shapes repeat across outfits and seasons, creating familiarity and ease. Straight leg, wide leg, or softly curved jeans become reliable elements instead of one-time trends. They rely on familiar washes that integrate effortlessly into their wardrobe. Dark indigo, black, gray, or clean blue appear again and again, allowing denim to blend naturally with refined fabrics like wool, cashmere, leather, and silk. Jeans are chosen with intention, worn often, and styled with restraint. There is no need for constant reinvention. Styling remains calm and considered, letting proportion and fabric do the work. This repetition creates recognizable elegance. The outfits feel cohesive, grounded, and confident. Denim stops feeling casual or temporary and becomes an integral part of a refined, intentional, personal style. The most important denim trend of 2026 isn't a cut or a wash, it's intention. When jeans are chosen with clarity, in silhouette, length, fabric, and finish, they become one of the most powerful pieces in an elegant wardrobe, because true style never needs to be loud. It shows in how something fits, moves, and feels. And in 2026, denim finally understands that. Thank you for watching.